Hi everyone, welcome to this video where we have started a series of thermodynamics questions from our JEE module. So this will be the second question of your series, but as you can see the number is 15. That means this is the module's number, module's question number. So let's dive in the question. The work done in adiabatic compression of 2 moles of an ideal monoatomic gas. पहले तो देखो, it is ideal, it is monoatomic. So if this is monoatomic, what will be the value of CV? So let's list out all the things given. CV, that is 3 by 2 R. And what is R? It's a gas constant, right? And since this is given in calorie, so it will be 2. Also diya hai ye. So R will be 2. So this is 3 by 2 into 2, which is 3. Right? CV का value आ गया 3. Now next, और क्या क्या दिया है? By constant external pressure of 2 atmosphere starting from initial pressure of 1 atmosphere. That means P1 is given 1 and P2 final pressure is given 2. Also P external is given, which is nothing but 2, because we know the final pressure is nothing but the external pressure. The terms are same. Now coming to adiabatic process. So from first law we know du equals to dq plus w. Now since this is adiabatic, this will be 0. So du equals to w. Now tell me, what is the value of change in internal energy? That is nothing but NCV T2 minus T1, right? So it will be NCV T2 minus T1. What is the formula of W? It is minus P external into V2 minus V1. But do we have that V2 value, V1 value? No, we don't have. So rather what we can do is, we can convert this volume to pressure term. That means V2 minus V1 ke jagah I can write nRT2 by P2 minus nRT1 by P1. It will be better because all the values are given. So from this equation you can find out the final temperature, because that will be needed. So N is nothing but 2 moles. It's already given 2 moles. 2 into CV का value कितना है? 3 into T2. That's what we have to find out. Minus T1 is given 300 equals to minus P external, which is 2. Again N is 2 into R is again 2. T2, that's what we have to find out. P2 is 2 minus N again 2, R again 2. T1 is 300 by P1 is 1. So ये हो गया हमारा पूरा equation done. You can check it. Now we will solve this equation as 2 cancel हो गया यहाँ से. So this will be your 3 into T2 minus 300 equals to 2 cancel out. So ये हो जाएगा 2T2 और ये 4, तो that means 4 into 3, that means 1200 minus this will be your 2T2. Next, if I just multiply this, so this will be 3T2 minus 900 is equals to 1200 minus 2T2. So or this will come here, so it will be 5T2 equals to 1200 plus 9, that means 2100. So or T2 will be 2100 by 5, that means 420 Kelvin. So we got our final temperature, which is 420 Kelvin. Initial temperature was 300 Kelvin. Now पूछा क्या है? Find the work done. So the work done will be, work done W is equals to nothing but du, right? And du is CV into T2 minus T1. NCV T2 minus T1. N is given, which is 2 mole. CV is given, which is 3. T2 now we got it 420. Okay, so from this formula we can also solve it. So 420 minus what was the initial temperature? As you can see in the question, the initial temperature is 300, somewhere written here. This one, 300. So this will be 2 into 3 into, this will be 120, right? So 6 into 120 matlab 720, and this will be calorie. Since the values are given in calorie, 720 calorie. Do we have that option? Obviously we have. That's option 2, right? So ये option 2 है. So answer is 720 calories. So this will be the value. So if you want such videos, please stick to the channel. Thank you so much.